मुझे रोज जल्दी उठना पड़ता है। I have to get up early every day. I have to get up early every day. उसे स्कूल जाना पड़ता है। He has to go to school. He has to go to school. हमें कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है। We have to work hard. We have to work hard. तुम्हें सच बोलना पड़ता है। You have to tell the truth. You have to tell the truth. उन्हें समय पर पहुंचना पड़ता है। They have to arrive on time. They have to arrive on time. मुझे अंग्रेजी सीखनी पड़ती है। I have to learn English. I have to learn English. उसे अपने माता पिता की मदद करनी पड़ती है। He has to help his parents. He has to help his parents. हमें नियमों का पालन करना पड़ता है। We have to follow the rules. We have to follow the rules. तुम्हें ये काम पूरा करना पड़ता है। You have to complete this work. You have to complete this work. उन्हें हर दिन अभ्यास करना पड़ता है। They have to practice every day. They have to practice every day. मुझे ऑफिस जाना पड़ता है। I have to go to the office. I have to go to the office. उसे खाना बनाना पड़ता है। She has to cook food. She has to cook food. हमें जल्दी निकलना पड़ता है। We have to leave early. We have to leave early. तुम्हें किताब पढ़नी पड़ती है। You have to read the book. You have to read the book. उन्हें किराया देना पड़ता है। They have to pay the rent. They have to pay the rent. मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ता है। I have to go to the doctor. I have to go to the doctor. उसे बस से यात्रा करनी पड़ती है। He has to travel by bus. He has to travel by bus. हमें बैठक में शामिल होना पड़ता है। We have to attend the meeting. We have to attend the meeting. तुम्हें इंतजार करना पड़ता है। You have to wait. You have to wait. उन्हें वर्दी पहननी पड़ती है। They have to wear a uniform. They have to wear a uniform. मुझे जल्दी उठना नहीं पड़ता है। I do not have to get up early. I do not have to get up early. उसे स्कूल नहीं जाना पड़ता है। He does not have to go to school. He does not have to go to school. हमें फीस नहीं भरनी पड़ती है। We do not have to pay the fees. We do not have to pay the fees. तुम्हें चिंता नहीं करनी पड़ती है। You do not have to worry. You do not have to worry. उन्हें इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ता है। They do not have to wait. They do not have to wait. मुझे खाना नहीं बनाना पड़ता है। I do not have to cook food. I do not have to cook food. उसे बस से नहीं जाना पड़ता है। He does not have to go by bus. He does not have to go by bus. हमें वहां नहीं जाना पड़ता है। We do not have to go there. We do not have to go there. तुम्हें ये किताब नहीं पढ़नी पड़ती है। You do not have to read this book. You do not have to read this book. उन्हें वर्दी नहीं पहननी पड़ती है। They do not have to wear a uniform. They do not have to wear a uniform. मुझे कल ऑफिस जाना पड़ा। I had to go to the office yesterday. I had to go to the office yesterday. उसे जल्दी निकलना पड़ा। He had to leave early. He had to leave early. हमें बैठक में शामिल होना पड़ा। We had to attend the meeting. We had to attend the meeting. तुम्हें इंतजार करना पड़ा। You had to wait. You had to wait. उन्हें ट्रेन पकड़नी पड़ी। They had to catch the train. They had to catch the train. मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ा. I had to go to the doctor. I had to go to the doctor. उसे अपना निर्णय बदलना पड़ा. He had to change his decision. He had to change his decision. हमें नया घर ढूंढना पड़ा. We had to find a new house. We had to find a new house. तुम्हें पैसे उधार लेने पड़े. You had to borrow money. You had to borrow money. उन्हें पूरी रात जागना पड़ा. They had to stay awake all night. They had to stay awake all night. क्या मुझे ये काम करना पड़ता है? Do I have to do this work? Do I have to do this work? क्या उसे रोज स्कूल जाना पड़ता है? Does he have to go to school every day? Does he have to go to school every day? क्या हमें यूनिफॉर्म पहननी पड़ती है? Do we have to wear a uniform? Do we have to wear a uniform? क्या तुम्हें जल्दी उठना पड़ता है? Do you have to get up early? Do you have to get up early? क्या उन्हें अंग्रेजी बोलनी पड़ती है? Do they have to speak English? Do they have to speak English? क्या मुझे वहां जाना पड़ता है? Do I have to go there? Do I have to go there? क्या उसे हर दिन पढ़ना पड़ता है? Does he have to study every day? Does he have to study every day? क्या हमें अनुमति लेनी पड़ती है? Do we have to take permission? Do we have to take permission? क्या तुम्हें इंतजार करना पड़ता है? Do you have to wait? Do you have to wait? क्या उन्हें शुल्क देना पड़ता है? Do they have to pay the fee? Do they have to pay the fee? क्या मुझे कल देर तक काम करना पड़ा? Did I have to work late yesterday? Did I have to work late yesterday? क्या उसे घर बदलना पड़ा? Did he have to change his house? Did he have to change his house? क्या हमें बैठक रद्द करनी पड़ी? Did we have to cancel the meeting? Did we have to cancel the meeting? क्या तुम्हें सच बताना पड़ा? Did you have to tell the truth? Did you have to tell the truth? क्या उन्हें टैक्सी लेनी पड़ी? Did they have to take a taxi? Did they have to take a taxi? मुझे ये काम क्यों करना पड़ता है? Why do I have to do this work? Why do I have to do this work?